Hey guys and gals, sweet project cars with cool, trick, and affordable and simple ways for doing things. Our Spanish guy is back with us again.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Let's get busy. Now today in this case, we have our Pdr Tools. These tools in this bag are what we use. Let's see what's in this bag and get busy. I like the bag, it's very heavy duty. First thing we have is our light board, our line board, whatever you want to call it. Comes very well wrapped. Love it. Then you have your suction cup that holds onto your light board, and it swivels so you can move it in any direction you want. Nice. And of course, your line board goes just like this. And you can adjust that however you need to get the lines to show up when you're doing your dent pushing. We call this dent pushing, and then glue gun with the slide hammer is dent pulling. Now, comes right off and you can move it anywhere you want. This is your, what we call the shovel, and this goes in to be able to move your door open a little bit more from your glass so you can get your tool down inside. Nice heavy plastic. And now we have a little hammer, and you have your tip. Screws in there just like that. And of course you put this on the dent on the outside if you used your rod to push it too far, and you tap here to be able to get the dent to go back in. Now when you're using these Pdr rods, it's all about leverage. Alright, got a nice little bag inside with some rings, and of course you'll come up with your own straps to be able to use the leverage you need to be able to push the dents out. So these are very nice quality, very heavy. And then you have the creme de la creme. Then you have your knockdown tool here with all your tips. Nice little tool there. Now these are very heavy duty. You can't bend them. All the tips have removable protectors on them, and the tips are all different, and you have to get creative when you're pushing your dents out. As I said, we will be doing a lot of videos coming up on how to be good at pushing dents out. Let's see what this tip has here. And now you can see the difference between these two. One's more of a rounded and one's more of a pointed. Then you have the shorter rods. This one's got a flat edge on it. As I said, these are what we use. This is the exact set. We have multiple of these that we use to do our dent pushing. Nice coated handles. Because I have a little bias with this, because I love this kit, it's affordable and it does the job, and the rods are extremely heavy duty. As I said, you cannot bend that. It's got just enough give to get the job done, and you have just the right sizes, short and longer ones, with all different tips on them. So you can get in and do smaller areas, closer, like if you're going to push dents out in your hood,